So these are my tomato plants in Canada. This is my home backyard, and this is a little plantation that I've done. So the problem I was facing was that my tomatoes were not turning red. They had been on the plant for quite a while, for a few weeks, and they were still not turning red. So what I did was that I chopped off some branches, especially the ones that had no vegetables on them, and especially the ones that were turning brown. I chopped them off. That shed some load off the plant, and it managed to provide the real vegetables with more nutrients as opposed to unnecessary offshoots. Moreover, what I did was that I stopped watering the plant for a while, because when you water it too much, then it delays the process of tomatoes turning red from green. And apart from that, as you can see, there's no shed over it, it's open sunlight, so I've kept the plant in open sunlight. So these are the only three things that I did, was that expose it to sun, reduce the spray of water on it, and cut off unnecessary offshoots. And my tomatoes have started to turn red. Let me show you a few of them. As you can see, these are yet to turn red, whereas these tomatoes have started to turn red. I have also plucked a couple of them which had already turned red. By the way, these are not exactly red, they are more like orangish tomatoes. Even when they are reddest, as red as possible, they are orange at best. Homegrown tomatoes, but they taste, yes, like regular tomatoes. You see over there, that's also a reddening tomato. And then these ones are next. You can see the yellowish orangish tone peeping through the overall green. And likewise this one, they won't turn brown, they are turning yellowish orange, and then they would turn a deep orange after this. So I did nothing. So as you can see, these are unnecessary leaves turning brown already, and they are exerting more pressure on the plant. They require nutrition to grow, and the supply of nutrition to the real vegetable is being compromised because of them. So I just pluck them off. This is very easy to pluck it. Just pluck them off and get your plant rid of the unnecessary leaves and offshoots. This is all you need to do, because it's better to have some tomatoes but fully grown ones than have lots of them but none of them eatable. Like you see, these are very small tomatoes, and this is an unnecessary offshoot, so I can just quickly cut it off like this. That's all you need to do. Hope this video will help you grow vegetables at home, especially tomatoes. Happy farming! If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.